It is Saturday, June 14th, 2025, a little before 2 p.m. I'm here with Jack and Mia. What's up, you two?
Hi.
So it's super duper rainy, and we were driving home, and Jack and Mia had an idea for a blind taste test. What are we doing here today, Memes?
So we have all these different like Burger King, Wendy's, McDonald's, and Chick-fil-A chicken nuggets, and we're gonna try and like guess what they are.
We're gonna do a blind taste test, right?
Yeah.
So first off, what's the order we're gonna go in, Jack?
Me, Mia, you, and then Mommy.
Okay. Memes, what do you think you're gonna get out of 4? How many are right?
Probably like 3.
You think you can get 3 out of 4? Jack, what do you think you're gonna
I
get?
think I have a good palate, so 4.
4? Mommy, what do you think you're gonna get out of 4?
3.
She thinks 3. I think I'm gonna do the worst. I don't know what I'm gonna get, but I definitely don't think I'm gonna win. All right, we ready to start?
Yeah.
All right, let's go. All right, Memes, bring him in.
So well.
All right, just sit him down. So that's what each one is.
There.
All right, Jack, looking good, dude. All right, so Memes, guide his hand. Jack, you ready?
Yeah.
All right, so. Memes, go on the other side so you can guide his hand when he's done.
Can I guess?
Yeah.
Burger King.
Okay, so finish. If you want to finish, if you don't, whatever you want to do. All right, Memes. Do his next one.
Just finishing Joe.
Mm-hmm.
Should we do a bowl that they just take one bite?
I know this so well. Wendy's, my favorite. Love this.
All right. Memes, guide his.
Do you want to put it here? Jack?
Yeah, put the rest of the one in there. So,
Yeah, put that on there. Good.
all right, number 3.
McDonald's, I like it.
All right, do the last one.
Is this the last one?
That's the
Yeah.
last one.
You know.
Chick-fil-A.
Done?
Mhm.
Dude, you're a Terminator. 4 for 4.
Oh!
All right. All right, bring the Memes in. All right, Memes, it's all set up for you. So Jack's undefeated right now. He got it flawless.
So good.
All right, take a bite and then put it into.
Jack, you want to help her?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Help her put it in the bowl. Do it nice. Give her a
Wendy,
minute.
where's the bowl?
All right, go number 2. Good, Jack. You don't have to rush, baby.
Chick-fil-A.
You could take another bite if you need it.
Burger King.
Help her.
Where's the flashlight?
Look over him.
McDonald's.
Oh my
4
God.
for 4.
You guys,
Yeah.
dude. You guys are so
You
good.
guys are so
All right.
That was the hard
I
one.
cannot believe.
Beep.
Good job, guys.
All right, let me preface it by saying I have no confidence that I'm going to get this flawless. This one?
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is one.
Like, I have no idea.
Just guess.
Burger King. I can tell by the silence I'm wrong. All right, next one.
And here's your bowl.
Oh, this is my bowl.
Here's your bowl.
Like, that has to be Wendy's, but I'm not sure.
Are your eyes closed? Keep your eyes closed.
My eyes are closed.
Okay.
What do you think it is?
My eyes were open the whole time.
That's gotta be Wendy's.
Next.
Where's my hand go?
Oh, sorry. I was the person that did it. So I went cuckoo.
Damn it, that might be Wendy's. What did I say already? Burger King. I suck at these. What did I say? Burger King and Wendy's. So this isn't McDonald's, but I have to say it's McDonald's. Damn, dude.
Boop. You know.
So Chick-fil-A, how bad did I do?
Really bad.
1 out of 4?
1 out of 4.
1 out of
Damn
4.
it, man. I knew it. All right, bring mommy in. All right. I have set the bar extraordinarily low.
Oh my god, I burned.
Nothing broke a bone.
All right, guys, get mommy on the table.
Sorry.
All right, all right. You gotta beat 1.
The bar is extremely low. Wait, someone get our bowl.
She's hungry. Let her eat.
Chick-fil-A.
All right, help her hand, baby.
I shouldn't have eaten the whole thing.
Yeah, you shouldn't have made it.
Sorry. Okay.
Put it down.
Ooh, this is hard.
Told you.
Wendy's.
Yeah.
Help her.
Put it in the
Oh,
bowl.
it tastes a little dry. McDonald's.
Help her hand.
Oh no, this might be McDonald's. Burger King?
Yeah, you did. You mixed up McDonald's and Burger King. You beat me. You got 2 out of 4.
You're great.
All right. I told you the kids were gonna
It was
beat us.
so hard and I got vertigo. So,
All right, so Jack, Mia, you guys are once again the champions. Mommy came in 3rd, and Daddy's the worst.
way harder than I thought.
Later, you two.